हेलो गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग। और आज हम शुरू करते हैं CPMT यूपी का MCQ सॉल्व पेपर बॉटनी का, वो भी 1989 का। तो मैं सीधे शुरुआत करता हूँ पहले क्वेश्चन के। द फंक्शन ऑफ वेलामेंस इज, इसका सेकंड है absorption of the moisture from air. Second, the example of a saprophyte is monotropa. Third, the genetic information is carried by long chain molecule of nucleotide. चौथा, the surface fibers of the commercial use are obtained from Gospeum. Next, transfer of genetic material from the bacterium to another by a virus is known as transformation. Next, tracing is effective method of soil conservation is hill areas. Next, in display biotic life cycle of yeast, the number of process produced in a viscous is 4. The epiphytalis, stamens and axial placentation are found in Solanaceae. Next, the fruit is fish, mesocarp is fleshly and the endocarp is stony, is known as drupe. The succession indentation in a pond of about 6 meter depth exists one of the following stages. पहला, floating plants, next submerged plant, next reeds, next herbs, next shrubs, लास्ट में आपका ट्री आएगा. नेक्स्ट, द फर्स्ट unadopted evidence about DNA being the genetic material came from पहला, transformation of the rough pointed stain of Diplococcus pneumonic into smooth coat stain. Next, mycorrhiza is the symbiotic association between fungus and the root of seed plant. Next, an example of biochemical similarities of all living organisms is the पहला, derivatives of the metabolic energy from the chemical energy. Next, which one of the following element is the critical limiting factor is the function of ecospore because of its irretrievable loss in the ocean. Second option. In which of the following families would you place a plant having biocolorous vascular bundles in the climbing stems, and unisexual flowers. Crucifery. Next, lateral root branches normally arise from parents' roots by the formulation of root primordia by the division in pericycle cell lying in the areas between two cells protoxylem point. Next, three subfamilies of Leguminosae are distinguished by characters of first option flora and endoecium. Next, among the following which help in early ripening of fruit. Ethylene. Next, the end product of glycolysis is pyruvic acid. Next, the pathway of weight from soil up to the xylem is secondary xylem is पहला soil, next root hair cell wall, next cortex, next endodermis, next पेरिसाइकिल, नेक्स्ट है प्रोटोजाइलम और लास्ट में आपका मेटाजाइलम. नेक्स्ट, फॉर डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ न्यू स्पीसीज फिश कैरेक्टरिस्टिक शुड बी यूज्ड. इसका पहला ऑप्शन है फ्लोरा कैरेक्टर ऑफ न्यू स्पीसीज. नेक्स्ट है heterothallium is successful due to fusion of पहला morphologically similar gametes of which are physiologically different and are present positive and negative type. Next, in eukaryotic algae and the fungi, flagella and the cilia of zoospore and gametes are पहला generally similar and have 9+2 arrangement of fibrils of the peripheral fibrils are the doublets and the central fibrils are the just canal like. Next, the maize copes are silky hair represent पहला long style fish help in the capturing the pollen grains. Next, when pollen tube enters in the ovule through integumentary it's referred as mesogamy. Next, in plants the Latin names are suggested because second, in whole words there would be only one name for one plant. Next, bacteriochlorophyll differ from the chlorophyll A in having second, one pyrrole nucleus with two hydrogen. नेक्स्ट हमारे 10 क्वेश्चन इसमें से छूट गए हैं और वो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में डाल देंगे. 39, द स्टिप्यूल्स आर द मॉडिफाइड इनटू trendles in Smilex. Next, the endosperm of cycas is gametophytic tissue. Next, the enzyme responsible for the reduction of the molecule nitrogen to the level of the ammonia is leguminous root nodules is nitrogenous. Next, when the pericarp is fused with testa and the fruit containing a single seed is called Caryopsis. Next, bacteria were first discovered by Leeuwenhoek. Next, apical dominance means suppression of the growth of axial buds by the presence of the apical buds. Next, the placentation in a multilocular ovary where the ovules are born over entire inner surface is called next 100-year-old tree which show well marked annual ring in its trunk will show only about 100 rings at the base and the uniformly decreasing number of the rings toward its tops. Next, a gene of ornamental plants, fish is being cultivated for extracting an important edible oil from its Cypsela fruit is पहला हेलियंथस. Next, a plant placed near a window bent outward because for the accent constant on the shaded side it higher than that on the higher side and result in the cell on the shaded side elongated more than the cell on the illuminated side at the tip bends outward. Next, mitotic division in a angiosperm plant can be observed by examining cell of pollen mother cell when they are undergoing division in the anther. Next and last, which procedure of the Mendel differ from those of his predecessor and contributed most to his success. इसका पहला है दो quantitatively analyzed his data. जो इसमें कि क्वेश्चन हमारे छूट गए हैं 29 से लेकर के जो भी छूटे हैं वो क्वेश्चन अगली वीडियो में इंक्लूड कर देंगे. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, कमेंट करें एंड ज़रूरतमंदों को शेयर करें.